How to sell gift cards in Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to sell gift cards in Shopify. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the dashboard you can navigate to products here. You can click on it, and then in this step you will find gift cards. You can click on it. So in this video, we're gonna click add gift card products because we want to sell a gift card. So you can click on it, and then you will be redirected to the creation page. So you can just type your title, maybe Amazon gift cards. Then you can put the description, and you can also upload the image of the gift cards. And this is the category. And then you can, choose the denominations. And after that, you can just click save. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.